Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Irfan, Faculty of Commerce. In last video, we are solved the mean problems. Today, we will discuss the concept of median as well as we will solve the problems related the median. Okay. First, we will understood what do you mean by median. Median is a positional average referring to the position of value in the distribution. It is defined as that value of the distribution on either side of which there are equal number of items when the data is arranged in some order is called a median. Okay, while you are calculating the median problem, okay, on that time median value, on that time you should see the values are ascending or no. Okay, if for some values are not ascending, on that time you should make a arrangement of the ascending. After that you should solve the problem. Okay, come to the respective data. We are having three types of data: individual data, discrete data and continuous data. Okay, what is the formula of individual data? What is the formula of individual data? Individual data formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. Here we are getting a small n. Small n means here number of observations. The individual formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. Next, what is the formula of discrete data? Discrete data formula is median equal to capital N plus 1 divided by 2. Here small n means here number of observations. Capital N means here total number of frequencies. We should calculate total number of frequencies plus 1 divided by 2. After that we should calculate when the continuous data is available. On that time, how to calculate the median value? Okay, the formula is median equal to L1 plus L2 minus L1 divided by F bracket M minus C. Okay, we should move for the what mean by L1. L1 means here lower limit of the class. While you are calculating the continuous data problem, on that time we are getting a classes, lower classes, upper classes. On that time we are getting a L1 means here lower limit of the class, L2 means here upper limit of the class, F means here frequency, C means here cumulative and M means here median value. Median value means here how to calculate the median value? N plus 1, capital N plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, it is called a continuous data formula. Okay, now we will solve the one by one. First we will solve the individual data problem. Individual means here alone. See the problem number 1. Okay, they are providing the value 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 25. Find the median. Okay, before calculating the median value, first you should check out the values are ascending or no. Ascending means here from lower to bottom. Okay, from lesser to greater than. Okay, now see here first 2 is there, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15 and 25. It means here it is a descending order or ascending order. Okay, now here capital N means here total number of observations. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, N means here 7. Okay, after that median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 7 plus 1 divided by 2, 7 plus 1 8 divided by 2 equal to fourth item is. Okay, fourth item is how to calculate fourth item. See here 2 is the first item, second is a 5, third is a 6 and fourth item is 8. That's why you are putting here 8. Okay, it is called the problem number 1. Okay, the simple problem. See next second problem. Okay, to find the median. See here 27, 33, 42, 25, 23, 25, 33, 30, 28, 27, 12, 18, 16. See here the values are jumbled. On that time you should make a write down arranging the data in the ascending order. Okay, some data is higher than, some is lower than, higher, lower than is there. First you should arrange the data in the ascending order. It means here lower to topper. Okay, see here lower means here 12 is there. See 12, 16, 16, 18, 18, like this, 23, 25, 25, 27, 27, 28, 33, 33 and 42. You are making a ascending order the respective data. After that n, how to calculate the n? Number of observations: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total we are having 12 observations. Okay, after that come to the formula. Median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. N means here 12, 12 plus 1 divided by 2, 13 divided by 2 equal to 6.5th item is 26.5th item. It means here not a 6th or not a 7th. On that time how to calculate the value? Okay, we cannot calculate. If it comes 6, no, we can get a value, but here 6.5 is there. On that time how to calculate? That is 6th item plus 7th item. 6th item is here 25 is a 5th item and 6th item, and 7th item is the 27. You should add 25 plus 50, 25 plus 27, 52 divided by 2 equal to 26. The value is 26 when 0.5 comes. Okay, next problem number 3. Okay, 103, 106, 108, 102, 110, 130. Find median. First here you should check out the values are ascending order or no. Now some values are not ascending order. Here you should make a ascending order. It means here first you should write down lower value 102, 103, 106, 108, 110, 130. Okay, now total n is 6. Okay, the median equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 6 plus 1 divided by 2, 7 divided by 2. Now 3.5th item. Here you should write down, you should take down third item as well as fourth item. Third item is 1, 2, 3. Third item is 106. Fourth item is 1, 2, 3, fourth 108 divided by 2. 214 divided by 2, 107. Okay, the value is, median value is 107 while 0.5 comes. Okay, next come to the fourth problem. 32, 38, 69, 82, 86, 92, 98, 113 and 120. Find the median. Okay, on that time you should write down the values are ascending or no. Yes, all the values are in the ascending order. Okay, not required to arrange. Okay, now here n is 9, median is n plus 1 divided by 2 equal to 9 plus 1 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 equal to 5th item. Value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the 86 is the your 5th item. Okay, these are the very simple problems related to median. This is the individual data. They provide only one individual alone problems, alone values, and you should calculate the respective formulas, respective values. Okay, it is called the respective individual data problem. If you like this video, subscribe and share to your